folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin with a great video here. I'm about to show you, hey, listen, what if it was a way that you can go to a cool website, okay, and you can download files for free, and they're gonna pay you money over and over again. Now listen, I know what you're thinking. You might say, Wesley, you don't really love me. I really do. But listen, it's not Shopify, this is not ClickBank, this is not dropshipping, and this is not internet marketing, okay? Listen, there are many ways on the internet that you can make money aside from affiliate marketing or running Facebook ads. But listen, before we get started here, please sub to the channel if you want more videos and get alerted right now so you can start making money and understand there are many ways to make passive income online. One, number two, give your boy Wesley Virgin a like. Let's go. And listen, everybody right now, if you're listening to my voice, I want you to comment below, I can do this, okay? Listen, it doesn't matter how much I explain on how to do this. If you don't believe that you can do this, you'll never make money online. So everybody right now, comment, I can do this, okay? Cool, let's go. So the first site is plrminds.com, is it? Go to plrminds.com. Now, many new people don't know about this website here. Many internet marketers, people that make money on the internet like me, we go to these sites. Why? Because you can get unlimited access to our rapidly growing collection of newest and highest quality PLR products, which you can leverage. Leverage means that you can use this site to make money on. Now, the word PLR means private label rights. It's like aspirin and Tylenol and all these dumb drugs, right? Okay, all you do is here, go to freebies here. And as you can see here, everything is free. These are free ebooks, free graphics, free videos, free templates, free software, all these free things that basically what you can use to basically give other people. And that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you basically how to give this stuff away for free, and you get paid every time you give it away for free, right? You just get paid online over and over again. And listen, this is the name of the game. You know, jobs, they suck, right? How many of you have a job? Smash the like button. How many of you hate your job? Smash the like button. Check this out. This is what you do. Scroll down. I'm gonna click on SS videos here. Now these are free video instructional software programs or tips in a video format. So basically, these are courses that you can get right now for free. Now, I know what you're thinking, Wesley, is this really free? Yes, it's free. You don't have to pay money for this, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to leverage this. See, listen, this is what internet marketers on the internet would never tell you. I spent 7 years failing online until I figured out how people were making so much money online. And now I'm making that type of money, and now it's your turn. Smash the like button if you believe that this year is your year to make a ton of money online. Let's get it. Now look, you can look through here. Say if you want to get something like the 101 Facebook tips, right? Listen, you can choose any one you want, okay? It doesn't matter. Any program you want, whatever niche, whatever industry, it doesn't matter. Click get it now here. All you have to do to download this right now is hit the like button, okay? That's it. I'm gonna do it with you. Confirm the like. See that? Boom, download button. Click the download button. Immediately, see that? Boom. It is downloading to my computer. Why? Because I'm gonna show you another website where you're gonna upload it, and this is how we start making the money. Now you saw how easy that was. How many of you are with me so far? Smash the like button. Remember, if you need to pause this video or go back, do that. You can't miss a beat here. Listen, you can do this. You can make money online, but you got to pay close attention to the instructions here, okay? So, while that's downloading right now, we want to go to another website. Now, this is the website that you need to go to, and this site is going to pay you over and over again just by downloading free files, okay? Boom. It's called up-forever.org, okay? Please write that down. Please screenshot that, okay? I'm talking to you, big head. Hello? Write that down. You go to this website, you upload the files here, and they're gonna pay you. And look, because I love you so much, right? I really do love you, right? As you notice here, you see what it says, I love you? Like, I really do love you, right? Listen, and I love people who are committed and really work relentlessly towards what they want. I'm gonna show you step by step here. So, look, this is payment proof here. You see this? These are people that actually are making money right now every single day, okay? And listen, this is not meant to be rich. This is meant to make passive income, a couple of $1,000 per month coming into your bank account, especially during the holidays. But the great thing about the internet, it pays you residually, okay? Passive income is the name of the game. Okay, so this is proof that they make money here. So what you want to do is this: sign up. And I'm going to sign up with you, okay? I'm going to sign up for a brand new account because I promised you guys I was going to do this step by step for you, okay? All right, let me put in my password as well. Okay. And I'm going to put in an email address, okay? I'm not a robot, okay? Traffic lights. Listen, you should be doing this with me. Do it with me, right? I'm going to show you. I mean, you know, so many people that's doing this. They're making a ton of money, but I'm exposing the industry and showing you so many websites right here on this channel. That's why I have so many subs, because I give legit ways to make money online. But listen, you do have to do the work. There's no such thing as an overnight success, but you do have to do the work. But if you do the work properly, as long as you pay attention and listen here, you'll find yourself from the 9-to-5 job into a lifestyle that you really adore and the lifestyle that you deserve to have. That makes sense? I got you back here. Sign up, okay? And as you see here, boom, this is how your page is going to look here. Now remember, when you start seeing money here, and you will in the account balance, when you click request payout, they're going to pay you out, okay? So they're going to click there. And listen, let me go back for one. Listen, they will pay you out into PayPal. They have so many ways for you to be paid out. You see here, Pazza, Pay Here, Perfect Money. So guess what? Smash the like button because it's worldwide, okay? Please smash the like button because this is worldwide. That means anybody can do this. You have no skill. You're not smart when it comes to the computer. Anybody can do this right now as long as you follow the directions in the video here, okay? Now check this out. So once you get here, what you want to do is you need to start uploading the files here. So remember, we just downloaded the file to our computer, right? You with me? Now you see this link right here? I'm going to show you two ways to get paid on this website. This right here is going to have all your published files. So if we click on that link, okay, you see this? This is where all your files are going to be. Now listen here, that's why I told you to pay close attention here, okay? Because I don't want you to miss a beat. All right, so we're going to click on, we want to make some money, okay? Lovely, lovely, okay. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go to my account and I'm going to go to upload files, okay? All you need to do is choose the file that you just downloaded, right? That was the file that I did, right? So let me see. Let me upload one. Look. See what I'm doing here? I'm uploading that file. You see that? Start upload. Now, how easy is this, right? And listen, it's up to you. The more that you do this, the more files that you upload and the more files that you put out there on the internet, which I'm going to show you how to get people to download it over and over again, they're going to pay you the money. Okay, so while that's downloading here, okay, we're going to scroll down because you might say, well, Wesley, how much money am I going to make? Well, here we go. Tier 1, they're going to pay you $7 per 1,000 downloads here. And listen, I'm going to show you how to easily get people around the internet to download. See, what people don't understand about the internet is that you have you have billions of people every day, especially now since we have a pandemic going on, right, on the planet. More people are on the computer, they're on Facebook, they're on social media here, okay? So you're going to have thousands, tens of thousands of people downloading your link, and I'm going to show you another way to get paid a little bit more. Is that cool? So that's all you do, right? So basically, the file that I downloaded, okay, all I'm going to do is take my link here and I'm going to put that on my social media on Facebook. Listen, put in Facebook groups, all right? So if I'm talking about Facebook, 100 tips for Facebook, Then I find a group of people that's trying to grow their Facebook. Does that make sense? So I find groups. Let me show you here. If I go to facebook.com, listen, smash the like button. This makes perfect sense to you. I do this. I used to do this when I was broke. I'm going to be honest with you. When I was broke, I did this all day. See, look at this, Facebook tips. That's the file that we downloaded, right? That makes perfect sense. Duh. Facebook tips and tricks. Facebook business. Tips and tricks. Okay? You see this right here? So this is the page that I can introduce the link on, right? So the point is this. You're going to get many people that's going to click the link. When they click the link, an advertisement gets shown in front of them. An advertisement. People pay for it, right? Not you. Other people. And then once they see that page, they don't have to click on anything. They split that with you. So it's important to upload as many files as humanly possible. One, and make sure you share your published file link all over the groups. Facebook groups, Instagram, TikTok, blogs. Does that make sense? Now, as promised, let me show you another way to get paid. You see here, this is your affiliate link, okay? So say if you have people that wants to sign up for this as well. You might say, I met a cool young black dude from Houston, Texas. He's rich, and he's giving away all these tips for free on his channel. Guess what? You take that link, you give it to them, and now you're going to make $6 every time they do work. Does that make sense? So you're making money two ways, okay? Two ways. And let me give you a third way. Smash the like button if you want the third way. When you create the software, say if you download something here from PLR Minds, and say if it's an ebook, right? You can actually put your affiliate link in the ebook. Let me show you an example. Say if I went to digitalstore.com. Now you're gonna like this. I know you guys are getting excited. Listen, this is how I've made millions of dollars per month. Not per year, per month, okay? And you can always go through my channel. If you don't believe me, I have videos that I show my actual accounts. Do your research on me, and you'll see that this internet marketing lifestyle is real. Go to Marketplace. Any one of these products, Metacore, Overnight Millionaire, that's my product right here. I'm number 2 on the planet right now, 2 Mastery. Look at this. All these products here, you can take that affiliate link. This is how you get paid passively. You can take that affiliate link, right, that you'll see right here once you click promote now. You have to get yourself an account here on digitalstore24.com, right? And you can take the affiliate link and put it in the actual book itself. Does that make sense? So every time someone downloads it, not only will this site here pay you, you're going to get paid if the person purchased the product, and you're going to get paid if they want to become an affiliate. And guess what? You put this link inside the book as well. Does that make sense? How many of you believe right now that you can do this? I know many of you right now smashing the like button because you can't believe that it's this easy to make money online. You don't have to spend any money, but you do have to do the work. Now, how many of you believe that this is too technical for you? How many would like me to do some of this for you, to give you a boost? Okay, listen, I believe everybody that's watching this right now, you can do this. And I understand the struggle is real, and I understand the internet marketing is very confusing. That's why I do so many free videos, right, to let you know that you can do it. But I understand some people on the planet, they're just not technical people, but they're still nice, cool people. You got single moms, you got dads, you got couples, you got even teenagers. They just don't get it. So how about this? I'm the only person that does this on YouTube, on the internet. Okay? 10 people that want me to do the heavy lifting for you. Now listen, let me make this very clear. It is not a guarantee that you're going to make a ton of money. You still have to do the work. I'm going to do the heavy lifting, which means this. I'm going to go here, okay? And I'm going to help you create your account first. I'm going to go to PLR Minds. I'm going to create the book for you, okay? I'm going to put your links in the book, your affiliate links, so you will get paid every time that happens. I'm going to make sure your affiliate link here is properly embedded in the ebook. Does that make sense? I'm going to do all that, and I'm going to upload it to your up-forever.org internet site. Does that make sense? All that for $99. for you to jump in right now and start getting paid sooner than later. Only 10 people though. I'm sorry. I take only 10 people who are ambitious, people who are ready for this year to be their year, people that are ready to take action because they're getting tired of the disgusting 9-to-5 grind. You're tired of being broke. You're tired of being average. Well, this is for you. And all you need to do in the subject line, right? Do it for me, Wes, PLR. Okay? Do it for me at contactwest.com. I will get that email. The first 10 people only. While you're watching this video, I do 10 people per month, 10 lucky people. Me and my developer will do the heavy lifting for you. Listen, you still have to do the work. I'm sorry. Still got to do the work. And I'm pretty sure you're that type of person that's willing to do the work. If not, you won't be watching this video, okay? Because listen, the people that are looking for the get rich quick schemes, these people will never be wealthy. And I know that's not you. Listen, you don't have to email me, okay? You don't have to pay me $99 to get started right now. You can do this on your own. All right, this is just an option for people who their backs are against the wall and they need to start making money right now and they just need a jump start. But listen, you can do this yourself. You got to believe in yourself. When I first started this video, listen, I said, comment below, I can do this. You have to believe that it's possible. If you don't believe that this is possible and that you can actually take this simple step to start making money online in your bedroom or wherever you are on the planet, it'll never work for you. Listen, watch the video again. Smash the like button if I gave you any value. Smash the like button if you believe in yourself. Let me know in the comment section below. I read the comments, all right? Every once in a while. Let me know the country that you're calling from. Let me know that you can do this. Let me know that you appreciate these videos. I will keep making more. And listen, one day you'll be the person teaching somebody else. One day you'll be on that first class flight to Bora Bora or the beach of your choice, and you'll be drinking your favorite glass of champagne, and you'll thank God that you had a video or had some type of training like this that allowed you to live your dreams. I believe everybody is born for greatness, but everybody's not destined for greatness. The question, are you destined for greatness? Yes or no? Listen, if you need my help, like I said again, I'm just Wesley, $1 billion virgin. I'm just a young black kid here from Houston, Texas that want to help people make money online. I've struggled. I filed bankruptcy. I filed repos. I mean, a lot of bad things took place in my life. But I finally realized it was my mindset and I needed a strategy and a mentor. Allow me to be your mentor. I know I don't know you, but I know one thing about you, that you're not willing to give up. Comment below that you're not willing to give up. Okay? For $99, I charge $10,000 an hour to be able to train people personally. $99 for 10 lucky people right now who want me to do the heavy lifting for you. Reach me right here in the subject line. Do it for me, PLR West. Do it for me at contactwest.com, and I will make sure if you're one of the first 10, I'm gonna reach out to you and we're gonna get busy. Now listen, if you want me to help you create a product, if you look under this video here, depending on the how this looks on the screen here, under that video I have another link if you want me to show you how to generate millions of dollars by creating products. All right, that's there on my YouTube channel right under this video in the description below. Other than that, guys, I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.